So the 3 C's are our mindset tools. So it's confidence, consistency and competence.
Mm-hmm.
So when we've got all those 3 things in place, you are a bulletproof trader, and that's where we want people to get to. But you're not going to build consistency if you're not confident and if you're not competent. You could be completely consistent in all the wrong ways if you don't have competence. So we need to have that in place as well. It's really, those 3 are the foundation of your trader mindset.
Amazing. Well, it was a great day. It was a really, really great day. So thank you for that. Hopefully there'll be lots more.
Hopefully.
We can get together in real life
Yeah.
with the gang and do a bit of coaching and things like that. I also met, because you have part of the community invited to those days, but you also have new people pop up as well.
Yeah.
And I was sat next to a guy who'd spent tens of thousands on some dodgy training company. It was just like, I lost lots of money and it was really shit training.
Yeah.
And he was like just kind of looking at my notes and things, going, so what do you do in this case and what do you do in that case? And I'm like, just talk to Lewis to Lewis and sign up to the course, and you'll learn it properly. But
and this is the problem with the industry itself, is there is so many charlatans and sharks out there, and that's why trust is, I mean, you said it in episode 1, like trust is such an important one. You need to have that trust with whoever you end up going with, and he does trust us now, which is very, very nice, and we've we're working with him, but you can end up paying a lot for not a lot, and we like to do the opposite. Part of our core value system is to go above and beyond and make sure we're truly helping people.
Amazing. I love it. Should we go for a question?
Yeah, let's go for a question.
Snack?
Yeah.
So the question is, can anyone learn to trade? I'm in my 50s. Can I start now?
Oh, lovely question. I would say most of our students are probably between the ages of 30, 35 and probably 50, 55. That's probably where the bulk of our students are. We do have some outliers on either end. We've got like a 13-year-old that's learning to trade because his dad wanted to put him through the course. So he's starting young.
Gosh, their compound interest will be all right, won't it?
Exactly. We've got 70-year-olds as well who are learning to trade. So really anybody at any age can learn to trade. Technically, you have to be about 18 to own your own trading account. So that's important. But other than that, anybody at any age can learn. I used to get asked the question, can literally anybody on the planet trade? And I used to say yes. I don't think that's an honest answer anymore. Again, open honesty, we like that. I would say 99% of the world can trade, yes. You do have to have a certain base level of intelligence, but I've only met 1 or 2 people that wouldn't be able to do that, which sounds awful actually now saying it out loud. But they just didn't have the brain to. They couldn't even understand really what I was saying in terms of very foundational things. But you're not going to know if that's you unless you've done at least a small minimal training. And there's a difference between knowing that this isn't for you because it's completely over your head and you literally can't even grasp basic concepts of what we're talking about, as opposed to you do a introductory training and it's a little bit over your head because it's the first time you've heard it, but you are grasping some of the concepts. That's a very, very different position to be in, which is why we do our free masterclasses and we do 5-day challenges as well. It's
really good to do a little taster and dip in because it is really accessible and simple and clearly taught.